Every cat?
My name is Debbie. This is my first attempt, at a eHarmony video.
The fuck does this have to do with WoW?
This is my first time at online dating, so I'm nervous, but I'm excited at the same time. So I'm just gonna start talking about what I like and hope I get some replies. So I am a recent MBA grad from Villanova. I
What the hell is
love
this?
cats. I just... Sorry, I'm getting emotional. I love cats.
What?
I love every kind of cat. Sorry, I really love cats. And I just want to hug all of them, but I can't, because that's crazy. I can't hug every cat. But I just want to. I want to. I'm sorry. I get...
It's only halfway done.
I hear cat. I love cats.
Oh my god.
Ooh. Promised myself I wouldn't cry. So anyway, I am a cat lover, and I love to run.
Nice.
I'm sorry, I'm thinking about cats again.
Is this a joke?
I think about how many don't have a home, and how I should have them, and how cute they are, and how their ears, and the whiskers, and the nose. I just love them, and I want them, and I want them in a basket, and I want little bow ties. I want them to be on a rainbow and just in my bed, and I just want a house full of them, and I just want to still roll around. I can't.